Did the IRS shut down? Did it disappear? Where did it go? The IRS is currently temporarily shut down, just like the federal government. So we have a temporary shutdown here. That does affect the IRS. So the IRS held on a little bit longer than some other agencies because of some additional funding that they had. However, the IRS is now temporarily shut down as of October 8th when this video is made. So that leaves some questions, right? We have a deadline coming up. October 15th is an important deadline. It is the extension deadline for individual tax returns that were extended and C corporations that were due on 4/15. So what do we do there? The electronic submission of tax returns is still supported. Okay, that's still operating. If you are physically mailing in a paper return, just make sure, as usual, that you utilize tracking so that you have proof that you filed it timely. Okay? Anything that is getting sent to the IRS, you should always utilize tracking if you are mailing it. Now, if you are under audit, your auditor should have reached out to either your representation or to you to let you know that they are temporarily not working. If they didn't, it would behoove you to continue to try to reach out and to document those attempts so that it's very clear that you are still trying to remain compliant with the IRS. Okay? You're still trying to work with them, even though you know that they most likely are not available. It's best practice. Okay? Now, if you get a notice in the mail, you may still receive notices about balances due, about liens, about levies. Those are automatic notices that go out. You may still receive those, which I know can be scary. So what do you do in those instances? Just respond via mail or the appropriate response method listed on the notice and document that response. Make sure if you're mailing in a response that you do so with tracking, okay? Payments when it comes to individual income tax, corporate income tax, payroll taxes like FICA and federal income tax withholding, those are automated systems. So you should still be able to submit all of those payments electronically. If you are physically mailing a payment for some reason, make sure that you have tracking for proof that it was sent timely. If you have any other questions, let me know.